Inhibitors are molecules that reduce or block enzyme activity. They act like brakes, slowing down chemical reactions. And depending on how they work, we divide them into three main types: competitive, non-competitive, and uncompetitive inhibitors. First up, competitive inhibitors. They look similar to the substrate and compete for the active site on the enzyme. Imagine two people trying to fit the same key into a lock. Only one can win. If the inhibitor binds first, the real substrate is blocked. By increasing the concentration of substrate and outnumbering the inhibitors, we can overcome these inhibitors. Next, we have non-competitive inhibitors. These don't compete for the active site. Instead, they bind to a different site on the enzyme called the allosteric site and cause the enzyme to change its shape. As a result, the substrate does not bind with the enzyme, or even if the substrate binds, the enzyme doesn't work properly. In this case, adding more substrate will not counter the effects of inhibitors because the enzyme has already changed. And finally, uncompetitive inhibitors. These are a bit different. They only bind to the enzyme substrate complex, not to the enzyme alone. It's like someone sneaks in after the work has started, blocking the reaction from finishing. This inhibitor freezes the reaction midway. I mean, the substrate is stuck, and the product can't be formed or released. So, to sum it up, competitive competes for the active site. Non-competitive binds elsewhere, changes enzyme shape. Uncompetitive binds only after substrate binds, blocks progress.